wartime bombings destroyed his first factory. An earthquake crushed his second. A racing accident nearly blinded him. Yet Soichiro Honda turned these disasters into a $122 billion empire that would change how the world moves. The bicycle repairman's son who left school at 15 now has his name on millions of vehicles. But in 1945, standing in his factory's ruins with just 450,000 yen in his pocket, Honda was about to make a decision that would shake the automotive industry to its core. The company's name and iconic logo are derived from the surname of its visionary founder, Soichiro Honda, who laid the foundation for the global empire we know today. Honda's corporate slogan, "The Power of Dreams," encapsulates the very essence of Soichiro Honda's philosophy and the driving force behind the company's success. Founded in 1948 in Hamamatsu, Japan, Honda Motor Company had humble beginnings. Soichiro Honda, with his passion for mechanics and engineering, started the company by producing bicycles powered by small auxiliary motors. This modest start would eventually lead to a remarkable expansion, with Honda venturing into the manufacture of automobiles, motorcycles, marine engines, robots, and various automotive components. Throughout its history, Honda's earned a global reputation for its commitment to product quality, engineering excellence, and a relentless pursuit of innovation. Born in 1906 in Shizuoka, Japan, Soichiro Honda grew up in a family of modest means. From a young age, he developed a keen interest in machines and mechanics, spending countless hours in his father's bicycle repair workshop, honing his skills and developing a deep understanding of how things work. At the age of 15, Soichiro left his hometown and moved to Tokyo to apprentice as a car mechanic, further expanding his knowledge and expertise in the automotive field. In 1928, at just 22 years old, Soichiro Honda took a leap of faith and opened his own auto repair business, marking the beginning of his entrepreneurial journey. During the 1930s, Soichiro's passion for mechanics led him to pursue car racing. However, a serious crash that left him with a severe eye injury ultimately ended his racing career. Undeterred by this setback, Soichiro channeled his energy and passion into his next venture, which would lay the groundwork for Honda Motor Company. In 1937, Soichiro Honda established 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭, a company focused on producing piston rings for Toyota. This venture allowed him to refine his engineering skills and gain valuable experience in the automotive industry. However, the devastating impact of World War II left 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭's factories in ruins, with the Yamashita plant destroyed by bombing raids and the Iwata plant collapsing in the 1945 earthquake. Faced with this adversity, Soichiro demonstrated his resilience and determination. He sold the salvageable remains of 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐭 to Toyota in 1945 for 450,000 yen and used the proceeds to establish the Honda Technical Research Institute in 1946. The Honda Technical Research Institute initially focused on producing motorized bicycles using surplus engines, which quickly evolved into the manufacture of complete motorcycles by 1949. In 1948, Honda Motor Company was officially incorporated, with Soichiro Honda at the helm as the company's president. The following year, Honda introduced the Dream D-Type motorcycle, which featured the company's first in-house designed and produced engine, marking a significant milestone in its history and setting the stage for future successes. Honda's growth and expansion in the following decades were nothing short of remarkable. By 1959, just a decade after its founding, Honda had become the world's largest motorcycle manufacturer, a testament to Soichiro's leadership and the company's innovative products. In the early 1963s, Honda began its foray into automobile production, launching the T360 mini truck and the S500 sports car, which showcased the company's expertise in engine development. The T360, with its compact size and efficient engine, was a game-changer in the Japanese market, while the S500 demonstrated Honda's ability to create high-performance vehicles. Over the following decades, Honda continuously expanded its product lines to include a wide range of vehicles, power equipment, and even ventured into the aviation industry. The company's annual motorcycle production grew from 1,000 units in 1949 to over 100,000 units by 1959, and by 1963, Honda was producing over 500,000 motorcycles per year. In the automobile sector, Honda's production reached 232,000 units in 1969. To compete in the lucrative luxury vehicle market, Honda established the Acura brand in 1986, which has since become a well-respected name in the premium automotive segment. Acura's success in the United States and other markets demonstrated Honda's ability to adapt to different market demands and consumer preferences. Honda's success continued into the 21st century, with the company securing its position as Japan's second-largest automaker in 2001 and ranking as the world's 8th largest by 2015. Soichiro Honda's leadership and management style played a crucial role in the company's success. He served as Honda Motor Company's president until his retirement in 1973, after which he took on the roles of director and supreme advisor in 1983, continuing to guide the company's direction. Soichiro's unconventional approach to management, which emphasized individual initiative and close collaboration between workers and management, fostered a unique corporate culture that set Honda apart from its competitors. In 1980, People magazine recognized Soichiro's influence and impact on the global automotive industry by including him in their 25 most intriguing people of the year list, dubbing him the Japanese Henry Ford. This recognition highlighted Soichiro's role in revolutionizing the Japanese automotive industry and his contributions to the global market. Soichiro Honda's personal life and values also shaped the company's direction. He and his business partner, Takeo Fujisawa, made a pact never to pressure their own sons into joining the company, ensuring that the next generation of leadership would be chosen based on merit and passion for the business. This decision reflected Soichiro's belief in the importance of individual choice and his commitment to maintaining a meritocratic organization. Even in retirement, Soichiro remained dedicated to the Honda Foundation, which he established to support various philanthropic initiatives. He also pursued a wide range of hobbies, including aviation, racing, and art, reflecting his diverse interests and zest for life. Soichiro's passion for aviation led him to obtain a pilot's license, and he often flew his own aircraft to attend business meetings and events. In his memoirs, Soichiro expressed regret for his occasionally harsh treatment of employees, demonstrating his capacity for self-reflection and personal growth. He acknowledged that his intense focus on work sometimes led him to be overly demanding and even verbally abusive towards his staff. Tragically, Soichiro Honda passed away on August 5, 1991, at the age of 84, just days before the Hungarian Grand Prix. His death marked the end of an era, but his legacy continues to inspire and drive the company he built. Honda's success can be attributed to its founder's dedication to developing innovative, efficient, and reliable engine technologies, which have become the hallmark of the company's products. Under Soichiro Honda's leadership, the company grew from a small motorcycle manufacturer to a global multinational corporation with a presence in numerous industries. Honda's revenue in 2020 reached $122 billion, with the company employing over 200,000 people worldwide. This remarkable growth is a testament to Soichiro's vision, leadership, and the enduring strength of the company he founded. In recognition of his contributions to the automotive industry, Soichiro Honda was inducted into the Automotive Hall of Fame in 1989, cementing his status as a visionary leader. Following his death, Soichiro was honored with the establishment of the Soichiro Honda Medal by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, or ASME, which recognizes outstanding achievement or significant engineering contributions in the field of personal transportation. He also received prestigious Japanese decorations, including the Order of the Rising Sun, further underscoring his impact on the nation's industry and economy. Today, Honda stands as one of the world's largest automakers, a proof of one man's dream, but more than the billions in revenue or the millions of cars on the road. Soichiro Honda's true legacy lives on in a simple truth, that a poor boy from Shizuoka who loved fixing bicycles could build an empire by believing in the power of dreams. His story reminds us that success isn't just about where you start, but how far you're willing to go to make your dreams come true. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe to Wealth Warrior and share your thoughts in the comments below.